Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Riddle, also known as Karen. I'll be doing some unboxing of some Happy Meal that I received, and it's all planner related. So if you're a planner girl, this is just for you. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, tap thumbs up, engage with me in the comments. So let's go ahead and get started. Just let me know how you're doing. Hopefully all is well with you and yours. Let me go ahead and get the 2 boxes so I can go ahead and do the unboxing of today's Happy Meal. And it's all related to A5 planner or half letter. Alright, so let me see which one I want to open first. These are the 2 boxes. And I think, which one I want to do, because both of them are planners. Let me go ahead and open the one at the bottom first. If you're a mother, happy Mother's Day. Hopefully you're enjoying your day. Let me know in the comments if you did anything today, and if you got anything today, let me know in the comments. Hopefully your day was very special and that you're absolutely enjoying yourself. So the box has my address on the front and the back, so that's why I'm gonna open the box from off the camera. I didn't realize both sides had my address on them, and I cannot wait to get into both of these boxes. And for both products, I will have the information in the description if you're interested. All right. So I've been looking at this first planner cover for a while. It's been a couple of weeks since I've been looking at it. And then it popped up on my page. I can't remember if it was last week or this week. I can't remember exactly when. And then one of my planner besties did post it in her stories. And I said, well, maybe that's my confirmation that I should just go ahead and get it. Because I really love the color of it. I think the color is absolutely gorgeous. And I like the packaging. Okay, so I have a dust bag. I always love receiving dust bags. So I'm excited about that because one thing about dust bag, you can keep it for that particular product or you can just repurpose it. So let's see. And now that I'm thinking the dust bag is absolutely perfect. Because I know, like, with my vinyl covers, it collects a lot of lint. Let me know if your vinyl cover collects things. So I think the cover is absolutely perfect. And I think this is the first time I ever received a dust bag for a vinyl cover. And here it is right here. Let's see, I need to turn it around. So this is the 3rd color that I have. I have the black vinyl cover already. And of course, I don't know if you want to call the transparent a clear color, but I do have several in transparent clear. And now I have this brown here for it. And I haven't decided exactly what I want to place in this cover yet. But like I said, I've been eyeing it for a few weeks now. And I think I never really purchased it because I wasn't really sure how I wanted to use it. But now I have it. But yeah, I love the color of it. I love the color. And I just have to decide. I'm looking at those to see if should I tie them together? I'm not sure. But yeah, I haven't decided on how I want to use the cover yet. But I'm excited that it is in a dust bag because I noticed with my other vinyl covers that it collects lint and dust. So I'm glad to have the dust bag for that. So now let's go ahead and get to my second box here. Alright, so it does have a thank you card in here. And let me go ahead and pull the things out of this box so we can get into my next cover. Now, I'm going to be honest. I didn't need neither of these covers, but I saw them and I wanted them. So I said, you know what, let me treat myself. So I was like, we're in the 5th month of the year, and why not? And then with the spring here, summer almost here, maybe I could switch out the covers with my planner. And I think with this one that I have right here that I'm opening, I'm thinking about adding my blackout planner to this cover here. I saw this cover and I was like, this is neat and it's different. It is a A5. And then I did like the fact, I'm trying to get this off of here first. I did like the ring size in this binder as well. And then the cover is actually a pocket. And that was something that I saw and I thought that was really cool and absolutely different. So like if I want to change the cover, I definitely could do that. I can also store stuff in the pocket as well. But let me go ahead and take out the picture. So yeah, so that's how it looks without the picture. And I can remove the acrylic that's in the pocket as well. So there's a acrylic in the front and the back of the pockets. So let me take the acrylic out of the pocket so that you can see it. Let me pull it out. So yeah, so you don't have to have the acrylic inside the pocket. You can place a picture or dashboard or something else in there, or just use it for storage. I thought this was real cool and absolutely different. And I absolutely like it. I think we're gonna add my A5 planner inserts and dashboards to this system here. It definitely would be lighter compared to my Epi leather cover. So I might end up, yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and add those items to it. So let me get the other cover so you can see both of them together. So and so this one here, I can with the brown one. I definitely could add like my notebooks or my journal, or even I can add a dispel or a ring binder. I mean rings to this binder as well. But these are the two covers that I got. And let me know your thoughts in the comments for both of them. But let me go ahead and let's see, what should I do? So I hadn't planned on adding anything to this at the moment, but I do have my half letter cash envelope system right here beside me, and I'm thinking what I could do is go ahead and just add that into the cover for the moment. I probably won't keep it in there, but just to see how it looks. Cause I did end up, I'm trying to think, do I have like some gold rings? So if I wanted to make a ring planner, I do have that option by adding those, the rings to it, or I could do the dismount. Just have to figure it out. But let me go ahead and try to add this into the cover so you can see how it looks. Oh my gosh. If you did get this cover here, let me know in the comments, what are you using the cover for? So I did see a few videos on Instagram. I did see a few videos of how different people are using it. But let me know your recommendations, or what will you do? Alright, so this is, now I thought this could be made for the half letter, but the half letter does fit inside of it. Alright, because I think I did see someone, they had that LV agendas, and I think it was a notebook in this cover here. like a storage. That's one thing one of my besties said. She said it would be perfect for like storage and protecting your planner or your notebook. So this binder here, I'm going to go ahead and add some of my inserts from my A5 Epic Leather planner so I can test it out in this planner here. Alright, so I'm not going to add everything from this planner in here. I'm just going to add a few things for the time being. Now I might end up changing some things out, but for right now, I'm just going to add a few of the inserts. I'm going to add the dashboards and this one right here too. And I really think that I'm going to like using this binder here because it does have the 30mm rings. And I can end up adding several inserts and several categories to this if I choose to. But I'm going to test it out for like a week or so, and then I'm going to decide if I'm going to add additional inserts to this. Because I know I'm going to add my monthly, I'm going to add my budget to this. And definitely I'm going to need some inserts so I can just jot down some notes. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to add my weekly inserts yet to this A5 system, but I don't know. We'll see. And then I'm going to look through, I do have some unpunched vision board dashboards that I got a couple of years ago from Five Below. And if I want to switch out, like to change the cover, like take out, I might end up just leaving the acrylic inside of it and maybe placing one of those vision board dashboards in front of it. Not sure yet. I'm not sure, or I might just end up removing the acrylic from the cover so I can see my dashboard. I don't know. I have to decide on that, and whatever I decide, I will definitely post it on Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see what I decide on doing at the moment with this system. But I think I'm gonna like it. And I do like the fact with it being a vinyl cover, if I want to store something in the pocket in the cover, I could, or just place in the dashboard. So let me know your thoughts on both covers in the comments, and check my description. I have the link to the products in the description. I want to thank you so much for joining me in today's unboxing. Toodles!